AI is not just technology, it is the new engine of wealth. The rich already know how to turn it into a powerful tool that multiplies money while reducing effort. Chapter 1: AI as a productive asset. For wealthy individuals, AI is not a toy. It is a money-printing machine. They invest in companies that build AI tools, but also use AI internally to make their own businesses more efficient. From customer support chatbots to data-driven decision-making, AI is treated as an asset that produces continuous cash flow. Chapter 2: Efficiency and Cost Reduction. Rich business owners see AI as the fastest way to cut costs. Tasks that once required large teams can now be handled by algorithms. Supply chains, logistics, and digital marketing are streamlined. This means higher profit margins with less risk. While ordinary businesses struggle with expenses, the rich save millions through AI-driven efficiency. Chapter 3: AI in Investing and Trading. Wealthy investors use AI as their secret weapon in the markets. Hedge funds apply machine learning to analyze massive data sets, predict stock movements, and even forecast crypto trends. AI becomes a second brain, spotting opportunities faster than any human analyst. The result: higher returns and fewer mistakes. Chapter 4: New Markets and AI Startups. The rich don't just use AI, they own it. They pour capital into AI startups, software-as-a-service platforms, and robotics companies. Venture capitalists and billionaires are betting that AI will be bigger than the internet revolution. By getting in early, they capture the upside while the rest of the world is still learning what AI is. Chapter 5: Personal Branding with AI. Influence is money, and AI makes influence easier. The wealthy use AI to generate content, optimize social media campaigns, and even create entire videos at scale. This boosts their personal brands, attracts more followers, and opens new revenue streams. AI-powered branding turns attention into wealth. Chapter 6: Wealth Management and Taxes. Beyond business, AI also supports financial planning. Wealthy families use AI tools to optimize tax strategies, manage complex portfolios, and detect hidden risks. What used to take a team of accountants can now be handled by algorithms. The advantage is clear: more money stays in their pockets, legally and efficiently. Chapter 7: Risks and Early Adaptation. AI is not without dangers. Biased data, ethical concerns, and potential government regulations all pose risks. But the rich are always first to adapt. They fund research, influence policy, and design safeguards. By being ahead of the curve, they turn potential risks into opportunities, leaving the masses behind. Chapter 8: Lessons for Ordinary People. AI is not just for billionaires. Anyone can use it for freelancing, side businesses, and personal productivity. The difference is mindset. The rich see AI as leverage, not a threat. Ordinary people who adopt this mindset can also use AI to scale income and build long-term wealth. AI is the new wealth multiplier. Those who embrace it today will ride the wave, while those who ignore it will be left behind. The question is simple: will you use AI as just another tool, or as your gateway to financial freedom?